Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 1.1, question number 5 and 6. Dear students, this is lecture number 3 and SW number 3 also. Okay, dear students, now let us start our today's class. At first, we will solve question number 5 from exercise 1.1. Here the question is, what is the least number which is to be subtracted from 4639 so that the difference is a perfect square? Dear students, here 4639, it is not a perfect square. We have to subtract a least number so that the number will be converted into a perfect square. Now the question is, which smallest number is to be subtracted from this number so that the number will be converted into a perfect square? Dear students, at first we will try to find out the square root of this number. Here the number is 4639. For finding the square root, we will make one pair taking 3 and 9 and we will make another pair taking 4 and 6. Now in 46, for 46 which number we can take here? 6 6 are 36. If we take 7, then 7 7s are 49, which is greater than 46. So we cannot take 7, we will take 6. 6 6 are 36. After subtracting, we will get 6 minus 6 equal to 0, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Now we will take this pair with 1 0, that means 1039 the number. Now double of 6 is 12. Now besides 12, which digit we will take? If we take 8, then 1 2 8 multiply by 8. 8 sets are 64, carrying 6. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 equal to 22, carrying 2. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. It's the nearest number of 1024 and smaller than 1039. This number is the nearest number of 1039 and it is smaller than 1039. So you have to take 8 here. And also you have to take 8 here. Now 8 multiplication 128, then it will be 1024. Okay, now after subtracting, we will get 9 minus 4 equal to 5 and 3 minus 2 equal to 15. Here remainders come, remainder is 15. That means 4639 is not a perfect square number. If we subtract 15, if we subtract this remainder from the number, then the number will be converted into a perfect square number. Therefore 4639 is not a perfect square. If we subtract 15 from 4639, if we subtract 15 from 4639, then the number will be converted into a perfect square. So that answer will be 15. Dear students, we have solved 5 number. Now we'll solve 6 number. Here the question of 6 number is, what is the least number to be added to 5606 so that the total sum is a perfect square? Here the number is not a perfect square. We have to add a least number so that the number will be converted into a perfect square. Now the question is, which number is to be added with it to convert it into a perfect square number. At first we will try to find out the square root of 5606. Now 5606. We will make one pair taking 0 and 6 and we will make another pair taking 5 and 6. Now for 56, which number we can take here? Here 8 8s are 64, which is greater, and 7 7s are 49, so that we can take 7 here. 7 7s are 49. After subtracting we will get 7 and we will take 0 and 6. Now 2 times of 7, this is equal to 14. Now besides 14, which number we can take? If we take 5, then 1 4 5 1 sorry 1 4 5 5 5 5s are 25. From 25 we will write 5 carrying 2. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 equal to 22. From 22 we will write 2 carrying 2 again, and 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 725, which is greater than 706, so that we cannot take 5 here, we have to take 4. 144 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 60. 4 4s are 16. From 16 we will write 6 carrying 1. Again 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 equal to 17. From 17 we will write 7 carrying 1, and 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 576. If we take here 4, then it will be 576. Now after subtracting we will get 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 10 minus 7 equal to 3, carrying 1 at, then 6. 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Remainders come. So 5606, it is not a perfect square number. Now the question is, which number is to be added with this number so that the number will be converted into a perfect square. Dear the students, here square root is 74. Now the next number of 74 is 75. We will have to add 1 with this number, then we can get the next number of 74, and then we have to find out the square of next number. Then we have to subtract this number from the square of the next number of it, then we can get the number which is to be added. Suppose 14 is a number. You know that 14 is not a perfect square number, but you know that 16 is a perfect square number. That means next perfect square of 14 is 16. Now how can find it? Which is the next perfect square number of 16? 14. 14 is not a perfect square number. We want to find the perfect square number next to 14. Here if we take here 4, then 4 4s are 16, which is greater, so we have to take 3. 3 3s are 9. If we subtract, then it will be 5. Now we have got here 3, and 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and square of 4 equal to 16, which is a perfect square number. And in this process we will find out the perfect square number next to this number. So that we have to add 1 with it, then we will find out the square of the number, then we can easily get which is the perfect square number next to 5606. Here 5606 is not a perfect square number. Now next integer number of 74 is 74 plus 1 equal to 75. Now square of 75 equal to 75 multiplied by 75. This is equal to, we have to multiply 75 with 75. 5 5s are 25, from 25 we will write 5. Carrying 2. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 equal to 37. We will take 0 in ones place. Now 7 5s are 35. From 35 we will write 5, carrying 3. Now 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3. 49 plus 3 equal to 52. If we add, then 5 plus 0 equal to 5. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. From 12 we will write 2, carrying 1. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 5. 5625. The number is 5625. 5625. Dear, the number 5625, this is a perfect square number, but 5606, it is not a perfect square number. Now the question, which number is to be added with it so that the number will be converted into it? If we subtract this number from this, then we can get. Therefore, required smallest number number equal to 5625 minus 5606. 5606. If we subtract, then 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 equal to 9. Carrying 1, then it will be 1. And 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So answer will be 19. That means if we add 19 with 5606, then the number will be 5625, which is a perfect square number. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. Now I will give you today's SW. Our today's SW number 3 number SW, and topic of today's SW is exercise 1.1, question number 4, example 4 and 5. Dear the students, today's SW is exercise 1.1 example 4 and 5. I hope you will be able to do your SW properly. So do your SW and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.